Okay, so we already have the pull request reviewed and it's ready for us to check. So basically what it's saying here, rejection tests only asserts success false, this one. So we should do more tests over here, also missing these tests. Then we come to the next file, which is auth. No comment. In here we have some comments. Actually we have a lot of comments, so I'll not go through each of them with you because these are here live for you to check. Instead, our main purpose is to show our agentic coding behavior. So let's open our CLI, and in this time I'll be using opencode and I'm using Minimax 2.7. So let's start with my favorite, hi. TR9. So it is trying to fetch everything. See, it is fetching the comments. So now create a plan to tackle issues. The plan should group the common files together so that the commit can be more appropriate. And yep, that's it. So I'm just asking it to create me the plan. We could use the Cloud Code CLI as well, but this time I thought maybe I'll give it a go, the open code. So it created a commit plan for us. Now what I'll say, write the commit plan, write the plan into a local file so that we can tackle it step by step without overflowing the context. In fact, if you see at the right over here, it already created the to do. Okay, so what I'll say, write the to do list plan into local. Now it's good. And then I'll do some interesting tweaks. like spinning up multiple agents and stuff. Let me check the plan one more time. So commit one, commit two. What did it say? Strengthen and improve startup, improve app error, harden async, improve, that is specific, fix. Okay, so now does it have any loop? Nope. Now start the implementation sequentially, but make sure you update the status once you finish the commit and run the test. Sounds good. Okay, repeat the test. Expand. So it will be a bit boring. So if you want, you can fast forward. But I want to capture the implementation. That's why I kept recording on. Still is working out the first one. I think it will be quite a long time. So let's pause it. So it completed after almost 12 minutes. Now let's do, and you verify if your changes are matched these suggestions in consolidated. Let's see what it says. So I'm using the minimax in this case to check and verify if our cases are handled or not. So it seems almost all are finished except those. Hmm. Architecture change. Okay, so we don't need to address this. If not, maybe then we can just commit this and call it a day. Okay, let's just complete this. Do a conventional commit. Yes, perfect. Very good. Thank you for watching.